This is the home page of the app. I'm going to log in. I'll follow the Google sign in. Now we're in the app dashboard. We're going to go to integrations, and the Google Sheets integration is what we're trying to verify. So connect Google. As you can see, the client ID is displayed here. I'm going to follow the login. Here are the permissions. Now we set up the sync. Just going to make a test number 2, and users can sync their data, so their quotes, invoices, and payment data that they've collected. And the app will sync. It will create a sheet or sync to the existing sheet that was connected. Takes a minute. And now it's connected. So go to the sheet, and their quote, invoice, and payment data will be synced here.